This is one of the best strategy to make consistent profit trading volatility 50 index. Now, if you have not been making consistent profits, I want you to pay attention, understand every bit of this video, apply whatever you learn in this video, and your trading history will change. Now, what you need is two indicators, ADX indicators and moving average. Do you understand? So what I need from you is to pay attention, understand how the indicators are being set and how to make use of them. Now, before we proceed, let me delete the current settings so that we start from scratch, so that you understand every bit of the settings. Do you understand? You can screenshot it or you write it down, because the settings is where the main issue lies. If you mix the datas, then the whole setup is being mixed up. Do you understand? So what I want you to do is to pay attention, understand every bit on how the indicators are being set up and how to make use of them. Do you understand? This is a huge money printing strategy. Do you understand? So it is good you understand every bit of it, apply it, and enjoy your profit. So let me delete the current indicator. Now on my screen now is the what only moving average is on the chart. So let's start from setting up the indicators. First of all, you go to function F. Now this is the moving average. This is what the moving average. Now here are what the settings for moving average. Do you understand? Pay attention. You can screenshot it or you write it down. Now the period of the moving average is what? 100. Do you understand? The method is smoothing. Do you understand? Apply to close. Now the style is what? 4 pixel, though you can choose any color of your choice. Do you understand? So that is all about for moving average. Then the next indicator is ADX indicator. So once you are done setting up the moving average this way, you click on done. Do you understand? Now the next indicator to insert is what? ADS. Now you click on F plus sign. Now the first indicator on my screen now is what? The ADX. The first is what? The ADX, that is average directional movement index indicator. So you click on it. Now this is the default settings. This is what the default setting for average directional movement index. So pay attention, understand how it is being set. Do you understand? You can screenshot it, do you understand, or you write down, because this is one of the major aspects of this strategy. Do you understand? So what you do now is to go to the 14, the period, change it to 70. Do you understand? Change it to 70. Now come down to the style, change the pixel to 1, change the color to white. Now the essence of this white is because my screen background is white. Do you understand? If your screen background is black, you change it to black. Now the essence of the color changing to be the same with the screen background is because we don't want it to reflect, we don't want it to show on our screen. Do you understand? Now the second thing is plus DI. Yes, leave it to green. Now minus DI changes to red. Now increase the pixel to 3. Now this is all about the average directional movement index indicator settings. So once you are done setting up this way, you click on done. So now let's go back to our chart, and I will show you how to make use of this strategy and make massive profit. Do you understand? Now this is our chart and our indicators, everything is on the chart. Do you understand? Now let me show you how to make use of this indicator and record massive profit. The first thing you need to find out is what? The direction of the market. Where is the market heading to? Is this uptrend, or is the market downtrend, or is the market ranging? Now you understand the direction of the market with the help of what? Moving average. When the candlesticks are above moving average, that is what? A clear uptrending market. Now we should only focus on buying opportunities. Now when the candlesticks are below moving average, that is what? Downtrending, and we should only focus on sell signals. Do you understand? Now watch and see how I am going to make use of this. Now, when you look at it on my screen now, you will see that the candlesticks are above moving average. So this is a clear sign of what? Uptrending market. That is a clear sign of what? Bullish market. This is my moving average and the candlesticks are above it. Now, once you identify the direction of the market, the next thing is to come down to the side of what? ADX for your entry. Do you understand? Now, down to the ADX. Now, when you see the crossing of ADX, look at this. When you see the crossing of ADX, see the point of crossing. When you see the crossing of ADX, now if the green line crosses the red line, that is what? A bullish trend. That is what? A buying signal, confirmed buy signal. So from the point where the crossing occur, I want you to make a what? A buy entry. Do you understand? So this is the point of crossing here. I want you to make a what? Buy entry here. And this is what? A huge profit. Do you understand? So that is it. Now let's proceed. Now, because the market is still above the moving average, because the market is still above what? Moving average, all our concern will be focusing on buying opportunity. That is where the green line crosses the red line. Do you understand? Now this is what? Where the green line crosses what? The red line. So we make our second entry here. So if you have taken your profit from the first entry, this is a second entry opportunity for you. Do you understand? So you make a buy entry here. Do you understand? From the point where the crossing occur, you make a what? Buy entry. Look at it. See where the crossing occur. You make a what? Buy entry here with proper stop loss. Whichever market, whichever entry you are making, make use of what? Proper stop loss. Now this is what? A huge profit. Now let's proceed. Now watch here. The market is now below the moving average, telling us it is what? It is now a what? A downtrend. Now we should be focusing on only sell opportunity, which is where the red line of ADX, where the red line of what? ADX crosses the green line of ADX. Do you understand? Now watch here. See where the crossing occur here. See where the crossing occur. But here, this is where we were supposed to sell. But the moving average is above moving average. The candlestick is what? Above moving average. So we are not going to sell here. So we wait when the crossing occur while the candlesticks are below moving average. Now watch here. This is where the cross. Look at this crossing here. The candlesticks are below moving average and the crossing occur here. So we make our sell entry from this point. Do you understand? Make our what? Sell entry from this point of crossing. Make your sell here with proper stop loss, and this is what? A clear profitable trade. Do you understand? Now we proceed. You see, this is what? Now look at here. This is what? Now when you see, there's something I want to show you. It's still a selling market, but there's something I want to show you. Whenever you see the ADX lines, when you see the ADX line behaving this way, that is it, twisting with each other. This is what? A sign of what? Ranging market. This is what? A sign of what? Ranging market. If you watch here, you will see that the market is what? Ranging. Do you understand? It's what? The market is what? Ranging. So whenever you see the ADS twisting with each other, that is what? A clear ranging market. So you either step outside the market or you make use of support and resistance in the favor of the direction of the market. Do you understand? That is it. So watch here. This is a clear. You see where the clear. Now you make your what? Sell entry here, and this is what? Huge profit. So that's how we keep making your entry and taking your profit. Do you understand? So don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Thank you.